Hello everybody, this is going to be a bit of a strange one because it's such a big box. This is so big. It's the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight box gift set from Airfix, and it's a normal distance away from the camera I have, and it's a huge box. It's about 11 by, well, it's over a foot one way and over a foot the other way. So you got 3 aircraft. I have to take it off the stand a minute just to show you the size of the box. Right, here's Airfix. You get that Spitfire. There's PA-474 Lancaster. Alright, and you get this Mark 19. Mark 19 Lancaster Mark 3 B.III and a Spitfire 2A as well. So, huge box, too big to be on screen. On the back of it, you've got a little bit of information of the, I can't even see it, BBMF formation back in the day, and the little demonstration of how it looks on the stand. Now, I know the size of the Lancaster kit in 172, and with the 2 Spitfires in the back, it's going to be a lot of space to put that somewhere, and you're not going to have the space for that. Most people aren't anyway. There's a massive coffee table or a sideboard for that. It's a side opening box, disappointingly, because something like this you need to have a top opening box, but they've decided to have a side opening box in this case. I don't know why, but they did. So there's your stand you get a little sticker label thing to put on there as well. I won't be using this, but it's nice of them to include a stand in it. And this is what else you get. Now you get the big book of words there, and you get three kits separately. I'll put the box over there. So you get a bit of paint. You get these, hopefully they haven't dried up, but you get these token acrylic paints and 2 pots of cement and brushes. Now most people have used different paints and brushes and glues, but it's nice of them to include them, because sometimes this sort of set gets given to a beginner or a new somebody returning to the hobby. Especially a set of paints anyway, you just thin them down. And like I say, you got the instructions there, nice wad of instructions. And you've got all the Spitfires and the, actually, where's the other one? Hang on, it's fallen out. Promise you, the other one was here. So I may have fallen out when I was opening the bag. Anyway, get 2 Spitfires. And you get the Lancaster. So with the Mark 2A, I think it's in this. You can have a look at that on another video directly about that. But no, this is the PR19, because you see the 5-blade propeller there. You get that. So you can have a quick look where the other bag is. Yes, oh, here it is. The walks off set, turns back on. There's the one Spitfire in a bag, and that's the other Spitfire in a bag. So quick look in there, you can see that it's got a bit of focus there, yeah. Bit of detail inside. It's a good little kit from a few years back. Got the interior detail, and we'll look at a different video for that. So we got one of each there. And here you got the Lancaster kit, which is the main event really for this gift set. All the screws, and some of these come out here. The partridge will come off the screw. So some of these are the covers for the behind the engine. They come off, but you've got to be careful not to lose them as well. That's 3 of them come off. Just fold it out the way, making sure I haven't lost any. So you got a couple of different sprues. See, they've come off. They've been rattled about in the place as it is. See, so many bags of sprues. But anyway, you got a nice the lighter plastic before they went to dark plastic. That's the clear parts falling on the floor now. Get these strut systems for the wheels. So you get 1, 2, these are flaps, and the inside of the wheel wells. You got the structure of the wings, you can see, and various interior parts, and such. 2. Third sprue, you got the engines and the propellers. Yeah, this little they're quite cleanly moulded. Then you got the first. Oh gosh, what's that over there? A little bit of flash by there. That's the most flash I've seen on it for a while, so maybe that's the kit itself. But there's no actual damage to the part that's going to be moulded. And what's happened there? Something's corrosive has been on there, I think. See that? A bit of flash has come out. There's also something's going on the side there. Anyway, the actual part is secure, and that's where you put the flaps on anyway. Looks as if you got passenger version, but you got clear plastic to fill in there, and the interior, you got interior detail on the Lancasters.